Joe Beermaster here. I have a Chrysler Town and Country key, also a Dodge Caravan. It covers multiple models, multiple years. If you have this type of key fob, I'm going to show you how to get into your car if the battery goes bad. Also how to change the key fob battery. This one is real easy. If you look here, there's this little slide in the front. You want to be able to push that over. At the same time, pull the end of the ring out. This is a little tough sometimes. So I slid that up, and the hidden valet key is in there. Now you can use this key to open the doors or whatever you need to do. But to change the battery in here, you want to get yourself a screwdriver. And if you look in there, we're going to stick a screwdriver here. You can use the key, but it might bend the key. I don't know. So you just kind of pull up, separate. It won't hurt anything. Just do it gently. When you have it opened up enough, pull it apart. Nice and even. And you want to lay that part down with the computer board. You don't want anything falling out. Some of these, especially the foreign ones, they'll fall out. The buttons might fall out. On the other side, the green board will fall out, but not on this one. It's pretty good. So there's the battery. See, it's held by this little spring in here, so you kind of want to push down towards the spring and pull it out. So as you can see, this is a positive is on the downside. It tells you what number it is. It's a CR2032. So you want to get a replacement. Put it back in. You want to slide it in again towards the spring. That's it. Spring will hold it in. Line everything up. You want this to be pretty precise. You don't have to put the valet key in yet. I like starting with the front end here because it's a little bit more compact there, and it's easier to just use it as a guide and work it around. Bada bing and bada bing. We ended with that, but that's why I like to start on the front edge and work it back. And we're going to put our valet key back in. Push it into your click. It clicked. Now you're good. The key fob should work. And everything's fine. So if you got a key fob that looks like this, that's how you change the battery. And that's how you get the valet key out if you need it. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe. Appreciate it. Take care.